Hi, welcome back. So, I hope you would have liked the video which was posted yesterday. That was on agriculture and food sciences. So, you might have got a fair idea about what all options you have in agriculture and food sciences. Now, moving ahead with our day two career cluster, we would be talking about paramedical sciences and allied medical sciences today. So, let's have a look. We have both professional courses and vocational courses in this particular clusters. Now professional courses, because I've received many queries about please explain in brief about professional and vocational courses. So professional courses are the 4 or 5 years degree courses and full-time programs, and vocational courses are diploma or certificate courses or short-term courses. So in this particular clusters and specializations, uh, available we have availability for both professional and vocational courses. So now let us start with what is allied and paramedical sciences. So first of all, if you आपने कभी भी you would have seen people around you, other than doctors, dentists or someone who is directly treating you as a patient. हम जब भी हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं हम देखते हैं इतना सारा स्टाफ है, टेक्निकल्स है, टेक्नीशियंस है, ये एक्चुअली हमें ट्रीट नहीं कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन येस दे आर प्लेइंग अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द मेडिकल सिस्टम. So these are paramedicians. So basically, to describe it in brief, paramedical and allied medical sciences are the people or the disciplines. This is a broad range of disciplines that produce health professionals who are not physicians. They are not physicians, doctors, nurses who are treating you. All right. These are multidisciplinary health team to provide the best patient outcomes. Like आप जब भी अगर आप हॉस्पिटल में गए होंगे तो आपने देखा होगा कि देयर इज समवन हु इज पुटिंग दोज मशीन्स और अटैचिंग दोज मशीन्स टू यू, और हु इज monitoring you on a frequent basis. So these are generally those technicians or persons. So these are mostly broad range of health professionals who are not doctors, dentists or nurses. So I hope you would have got a clear idea about who are paramedical sciences and what they deal into. When we talk about specialization, you will get a better clarity on what is this all about. So let's talk about the specialization track in this, and we have a very big list in this particular career. So to begin with, audiologist, clinical research associate, geriatric care technologist, medical laboratory technologist, neurology neuroscience technologist, orthopedic technologist, perfusionist, public health physician, give me a minute, public health physician or a public health consultant, ayurvedic doctor, dialysis technologist, health technologist, mental health professional, nuclear medical technologist, occupational therapist, orthotist, physiotherapist, radiology technologist, cardiovascular technologist, emergency and critical care technologist, homeopathic doctor, naturopathy doctor, nurse, operation theatre anesthesia specialist, pediatric surgical technologist, public health administrator, rehabilitation therapist, respiratory therapist, urinary doctor, Siddha practitioners, urology or nephrology technologist, and speech therapist. So these are the specialization tracks in this particular cluster. Now you would be thinking कि nurse तो नहीं था, फिर nurse कहाँ से आ गई? So there are there are some nurses which are supporting nurses, and there are some specialized nurses also. So there it's a it depends on what kind of a course you are opting for. Now, basically, major subjects which you require in this particular field is chemistry, physics, and biology. In few careers, you may require mathematics, but it is not a compulsory subject in this particular cluster. Working environment. Now, talking about working environment, you may have to work indoor or outdoor. You need to be, you need to work on a practical basis. That is a practical thing. You have to work in, in some career, in some specializations, you have to work 24/7 at emergency services as well. Deal with pain, blood, and emotions, as it is, related to patient and treating them. So obviously you have to be empathetic and you have to deal those patients. You have to work under pressure because sometimes there are emergencies, not sometimes, but you can say many times there are emergencies, and you have to work under pressure, and you have to be always be on your toes when you're working in this particular career. So this could be a rough working environment which you can expect under this particular cluster and under this kind of specialization. Now, what are the competencies required for this particular career? It will be investigative, problem solving, critical thinking, scientific, judgment and decision making, personal care services, technical and theoretical knowledge, listening skills, deductive and inductive reasoning, emotional intelligence, problem sensitivity. So these are the major competencies or skills which you need to develop or which you need to have under this particular career cluster. Next is about earning and growing opportunity. As we all know that medical services all over the world are increasing tremendously, not only in India but all over the world. So you can expect a very good growing prospect in a long run for and for the senior posts as well. So you can have good kind of remuneration and everything else. So present requirement, yes, we have a huge requirement for these kind of professionals, as medical is nowadays moving ahead with so many machines, new technologies, new inventions. So accordingly we always be having a requirement for these technical persons as well. Now, openness to the specially abled person. This particular career is actually not open to is not very feasible for disabled person, but yes, people with mild disability or depending upon the specialization, again whichever you choose, you have career options available for you. Now, talking about real life heroes, so few real life professionals who are working under this particular career is Professor M. Pushpavati, D.S. Verma, and Dr. Pathrose Parathivalli. Sorry if I mispronounce it, but yes, these are few only which I have mentioned, but there are many people who are working in this particular field and doing tremendously well. Now, if we are talking moving ahead with the colleges and university offerings these courses, we have many colleges in India who are offering these courses, but yes, depending upon what kind of a specialization you are interested in and आपको इनमें से कौन सी ट्रैक पे जाना है या किस तरह के टेक्नीशियन या किस तरह की इसमें आप किस तरह का sorry. Moving ahead with college and university offering courses. So if you move ahead with that, there are many courses and colleges which are offering this paramedical and allied medical sciences course. But yes, again you have to understand that not all courses are offering all the careers or all the specialization. So you have to think critically on which are your priorities, and accordingly you have to apply and also prepare for those kind of entrance exams. Major entrance exams major entrance exam in this particular career is CPNET, AIMS paramedical exam, NEET PG, MHT CET. This is a Maharashtra. This is a state government exam for Maharashtra, and JEPMAR. So these are the major exams. There are many exams, depending as per university norms. Private university they do take some private exams as well. So if you want to have a clear idea, if you want to have that idea, and if you want to understand whether you are a perfect fit for that particular specialization or for that particular career for yourself, then feel free to connect with us on our one-to-one for a free consultation call with us. And yes, we would be guiding you depending upon your requirement and depending upon your aspirations about this career. So thank you so much for this, and I hope that would give you a clear idea on this particular career cluster, which is allied and paramedical sciences, and how you can make your career in that. What are the detail which you must know before you enter into this career. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please drop your comments and subscribe to my channel. And yes, don't forget to share it with someone who's actually looking forward to such a useful information in their careers. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.